Hey everyone, welcome back to Oils with Lynn, where we uplift families with natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. Today I'm excited to talk to you about one of the most affordable yet incredibly powerful essential oils, which is lemongrass. This little bottle is packed with benefits from supporting your joints and tendons to promoting emotional balance. Let's dive into why this oil deserves a spot in your cabinet. First off, lemongrass is steam distilled and sourced in India. While it's one of the most affordable essential oils, don't let the price fool you. It's amazingly effective, especially when it comes to joint, tendon, and ligament pain. This is one of the top oils I recommend for bringing down inflammation and helping heal connective tissues. In fact, lemongrass is a key part of the regimen I suggest for joint pain and repair. The combination of deep blue, frankincense, and lemongrass works wonders together. I use this blend all the time, and it's perfect for anyone dealing with discomfort or needing extra joint support. You can use it topically 2 to 3 times a day. This combo is ideal when you pair it with physical therapy. Lemongrass is also a great oil to support your thyroid. If you're looking for a natural way to balance your thyroid, whether it's hyper or hypo, here's a blend I recommend. Combine frankincense, myrrh, clove, lemongrass, basil, and marjoram in a 10 milliliter roll or bottle. Add 10 drops of each oil and then top it off with fractionated coconut oil. Apply this mixture twice a day over the thyroid area and under the big toe for exceptional thyroid support. Now let's talk about circulation, blood pressure, and cholesterol. Lemongrass can be incredibly supportive in these areas too. I recommend taking 4 drops of lemongrass in a capsule twice a day and applying it on the bottoms of your feet. This routine helps promote better circulation and supports overall heart health. Another great use is for cramps and lactic acid buildup. Whether you're recovering from a workout or dealing with muscle tension, just apply lemongrass directly to the area of concern and you'll feel the relief. Now, here's a tip for anyone who experiences water retention or swelling, especially when flying or traveling. Sometimes we see those sweet pregnant women with those swollen ankles, and my heart just goes out to them. Lemongrass can help. Have someone else rub lemongrass oil onto swollen ankles, and it will really help reduce that uncomfortable swelling. Finally, let's not forget the emotional benefits of lemongrass. If you're feeling stuck or obstructed in any part of your life, this oil can help you transition into a state of flow and openness. Just diffusing or applying lemongrass can make a huge difference in your emotional well-being. So whether you're dealing with joint pain, thyroid issues, circulation problems, or just need a little emotional balance, lemongrass is here to support you. It's one of those oils that is so versatile, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you've got any questions or want to know more about how to incorporate lemongrass into your life, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.